Hello, my name is Sridhar Mullapudi, and I'm a Senior Product Manager in the XenApp product group. I have heard several times a myth that XenApp cannot handle rich multimedia content and graphic-intensive applications. And you probably might have heard the myth as well. Let's see if that myth is true. First, let me show the setup I have here. I have a thin client here running Windows, and this device gets all the applications from a hosted XenApp farm running in the data center. Using a hosted application, I'll watch one of my favorite myth videos. You know, as part of my job, I'm forced to watch a lot of videos to make sure our XenApp performance is top-notch. So let's launch the application. Let me first launch the browser to get to my applications. You can also use the Citrix receiver if you want to launch the applications from the desktop. I'll now enter my credentials. And I'll launch the video I want to watch. Let me open the video.
That is amazing. That is gorgeous. And that is not so pretty. Yeah. Are you okay? The culprit.
Wow, that video looks awesome, and it feels like playing locally on a fat PC. This is possible with XenApp's HDX media stream acceleration functionality, which leverages not only the server resources but also the client device computing resources to deliver a high-definition user experience. And since we're not doing all the heavy lifting needed to play the video using only the server resources, there is no adverse impact to server scalability. Also, this does not need any additional bandwidth than what is required to just play the video. Now, let us look at a graphic-intensive application and see how it performs when hosted on XenApp. And I'll use the same setup I have here. So let us first launch the application. So this is my application. As you can see, I'm working on the design of a water scooter. So let me rotate this to make sure the design looks good. Yeah, that looks good. So let me check the back of the water scooter. And that looks good as well. So let me just check on one other thing, which is the name of the water scooter. So let me go back to where the water scooter name is. And I'm gonna zoom into that area. Wow. This application is quite interactive. I can zoom in and zoom out, I can rotate the picture, and it just feels like running locally on a fat PC. And this is possible using XenApp's HDX progressive display technology, where we send only a small amount of information necessary when interacting with the application, and bring it back to full fidelity when the user stops interacting with the application. So, myth busted. As we have demonstrated with these two demos, XenApp can deliver rich multimedia content and graphic-intensive application using XenApp's HDX technologies to provide the best performance for any access scenario. To learn more about Citrix and HDX technologies, please visit worldwideweb.citrix.com/HDX.